Truffles represent something very big for this region because in France, 70% of the truffles are produced in Provence, where you are right now. So it's a big part of the industry, luxury industry, and people will be really looking to truffles, and this is the place to come in the south of France, in Provence, to look for truffles. In the winter also, in the summer also, it's a big, big place for truffles. We don't use pigs anymore, that's long gone, we use dogs.
Truffle hunting with dogs is a meticulous process. Dogs are trained from puppies to detect the characteristic scent of truffles, an activity that combines skill, patience, and the incredible sense of smell of our canine friends. And as friends, they acknowledge their work with rewards and a life filled with love and freedom in the great outdoors. They don't work for man. They collaborate with man.
We also have a lot of people that really enjoy the fact of being outdoor and see the work between humans and animals, but not in a way that the animal is working for you. It's here the animal is pleasing you. You'll see the dogs, they love doing this because you get food, you pet them, and it's a nice conjunction. When you hear about the stories in the farming nowadays and you see a connection between animals and farmers are really good. And of course, at the end, the champagne, they really like the champagne too. One of the things that your customers will learn, also your visitors, is because how to tell when I'm served a real truffle, a fresh truffle. Now, when you have a truffle, you will discover that they are hard like rocks. That's a good sign. They have to be the beautiful scent. And when you shave them, you're going to discover the inside is beautiful. It's going to be black with white veins, okay? Now, if you ever get served a truffle at a restaurant and it's totally black, totally brown, zero marbling, zero vein, that truffle is not fresh. You have to run away. And it doesn't matter how much they're charging you. You could be at very fancy places, they will serve you frozen truffles. So remember, I have to see the beautiful veins inside the truffle. Very important. And that's another reason why you come here, you learn, wow, I didn't really have real truffles before, I was disappointed, because a lot of this will happen around in the restaurant world. You see, you can brush very hard. The skin, the truffle can take it. That is no problem. And here we are. And ready to eat. Now we are really excited to join the titanium activities, because we'll be able to provide you an in-depth knowledge of truffle knowledge, but also we'll be exposed to a new clientele. People who really love truffles, are interested in food, history, culture, and that's the type of people we love to host here and gives them a private tour with your company. This, as for us, is really exciting. And then of course the dogs hunting, seeing that treasure coming out of the ground, because it is a treasure hunt to get that kind of partnership with titanium. Now we're not just focusing on that, but through the walk on the property, they will also learn about olive oil. They will learn also about lavenders, wild herbs, beehive. So truffle is a big part, but it's going to have more of a discovery of a region also, because Provence, where we are now in the Luberon, which is very unique, and they will see the agriculture going around it, which make it very unique for its location, and the beautiful wine, the olive oil, but more important, the truffle. So they have a bit of a wild picture of it.